Thank you for the opportunity. I'm a minister in charge of sports and skill from the state of Mizoram. The Honorable Chief Ministers, they have already touched upon some of the important points which I wanted to take on, but I will concentrate mostly on sports. Mr. Scindiaji, during his recent visit to Mizoram, he spoke about sports and he mentioned it 4 times, if I'm not mistaken. And Konradji touched upon sports again. So my humble submission this afternoon is that why don't the donor ministry ask for a special status for Northeast when it comes to funding for sports infrastructure? Because the only scheme which is available under the government of India as of now for the sports development is through Khelo India, out of which the amount of money which is pumped into Northeast, which is a sports-loving region, is not enough to sustain the sport lovers of Northeast. That's number one. And number 2 is that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to host the 2036 Olympics, India is bidding for it. So my humble submission is that we need to start now. Gujarat will be able to host it. India will be able to produce the best of infrastructures. But the bigger question is, who is going to compete in these infrastructures? It could turn out to be a huge embarrassment if India ended up 0 gold medal again. So Northeast is where the talents are. We, the Northeastern people, if we are given the opportunity, if the investment is correct in terms of talent identification, and of course in the sports infra, I'm sure that we will be able to contribute for the 2036 Olympics. So my humble submissions are to Sir Scindiaji is that if we can request the government of India to give special funding in line with the Prime Minister's vision of hosting the 2036 Olympics in terms of talent identification program and sports infrastructure, I think this afternoon or this morning roundtable conference would be a very fruitful one. Thank you so much.